How to see requests you sent on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner and click on your activity. Once you are here, scroll down till you find the section that says information you shared with Instagram, and from there click on download your information. You will get to this page right here. As you can see, the first section, it says download your information, and it has some information about this feature. From there, click on request a download, and here you will have the option to either download a complete copy of your information, which contains all of your messages and all of the things that you do on Instagram, or you can select specific types of information, so click on there. Once you are here, you will need to from these options, the information types, you need to select followers and following and click on next. And in this page right here, you will be able to choose the email address which Instagram will notify you when your informations are ready to be downloaded. You can select the format, you can select the media quality, or you can just leave everything as it is and click on submit request. Now your request has been submitted and your informations are being pending to download. As you can see, it says pending download. And once your information are ready to be downloaded, Instagram will notify you, and you will find them in this section that says available downloads right here. I have already downloaded the informations for the sake of this video, so you will get something like this. From there, click on download, and once you do that, you will need to enter your password as kind of confirmations, so go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your password, click on continue, and you will be redirected to your mobile browser in order for you to download your informations. As you can see, the informations will be downloaded as a zip file. So let's open it and let's extract it. Sorry. Once you have extracted the file, you will see that you have this folder that says followers and following. Click on it, and here you will be able to find all of your following and follower activity on Instagram, include the requests. As you can see here, you have a lot, like followers, sorry, following, um follow requests you received, etc. And also you have the recent follow request and the pending follow request. So let's go ahead and open the recent follow request and see how they look like. As you can see here, you will see all of the recent follow requests, including the date and the time that you followed them. So if you clicked on any one of them, you will be redirected to that account. So this is the recent follow request, and same thing goes for the pending follow request. You will also find them and you will be able to see them. So yeah, that was it. That's how you can see the follow requests you sent on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.